Good morning, dear students. I believe you must
Good
have
morning, sir.
done a lot of practice of the accounting standard 2, which we have started yesterday, whereby accounting standard 2 is pertaining to valuation of inventory as per issued as per ICAI guidelines, and now it is mandatory for all the corporate and companies to follow it. Basically, the recording of these things in books of account can be done in two different ways. One is periodic system, which we will learn after some time, which rather we have learned earlier also. After a year, we used to keep the record of stock, that is in form of trading account. And second one is perpetual system, where the recording of stock or inventory is done on regular basis, either in stock register or stock master or bin card, so on and so forth. The nomenclature is given there. And we started doing questions, and we are following first FIFO method. First in, first out. So whatever the stock is coming first to be sold first. Am I right? We did few questions, and I have asked you to do their practice at home. You must have done it.
Sir, in the textbook, I was going through the example, and in that one, there's one transaction I didn't understand actually.
That I'll take it up later on. What was that
Okay,
transaction?
fine. The first example, there was an issue on 15th February, which I did not understand.
There might be some printographical errors. So let me first clear that doubt, and then we will proceed further.
Page 54.
Thank you. This is page 54. This is regarding reconciliation.
No, in the textbook, like a PDF, currently it's 61. So according to that, 46 in the textbook.
Question number 3 it was?
Yeah, this the register about this one. The 15th February, yeah, this illustration too.
Yes. Okay. So I told you yesterday, it is even bin card. Bin card is basically, I told you, even in the factory where it is used, and suppose different department has a demand of stock. So what the storekeeper will do, they will issue from the stock which is available to them. Okay. So these are different jobs which are taking place, job number 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. And these are the stock which we have received. These are different adjustment questions, but I'm very happy that you students started solving it. Very nice of you. So it goes like this. We have received 400 units on 1st Feb. Then we will see, is there any transaction? No. Then 4th Feb. It will go like this. Okay, 1st Feb, then 4th Feb, and then directly we will go for issue of 10th Feb. Okay. And again, there is an issue on 15th Feb. But before that, okay. So where was the problem? First Feb,
Yes, sir. On 15th Feb, first 200 were issued. On 15th Feb, another 100 were issued. Then it should be at the rate of 10, right? Because it comes from the job 12, not at the rate of 11.
But here it is very clearly mentioned that to job of 13. And what was the
Okay. 11.
These are bit
Oh, so you have to
technical
look at which
questions,
job.
beta. These are bit technical questions. You have attempted direct those type of questions. These are not the normal questions. Okay. So that's why you get little bit error. I hope now you have understood.
Yes, and sir, what is the dues column in issue in the card? There's a extra
Bin
column
card.
under issue, which is due. Yeah. Bin card under issue, there's due. Job number, quantity, and then due.
Where in this question?
Yeah. Here on the third column under issues.
Yeah, due means balance.
Okay. Fine. Okay.
Remaining balance.
Thank you, sir.
These are the things which is used in factory. You please do not start with such kind of questions first. You make your base first. I'm very happy that few children have started doing it. But मैं आपको बोलूँगा ये सारे questions बाद में करो. पहले छोटे-छोटे questions सीखो बेटा, which is there in plenty of numbers in your textbook. ये सारे छोटे-छोटे questions हैं. ये आपने solve करनी है. Okay? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
ये सारे
पेज नंबर
questions
कौन सा है?
practice करो. ये exercise की book pages है 67 and all. These are practical questions of exercise. तो अभी आपने क्या practice करनी है? सिर्फ FIFO method. Weighted average next week we will start.
सर मेरे एक बुक है, मैंने उसमें से किए थे
किसी भी book से करो कोई problem.
कजिन्स की.
किसी भी book से करो कोई problem नहीं. But don't go for such technical questions as if now. इसमें भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है जहाँ पे आप अटकोगे और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप ऐसे अटको. इट इज माय पर्सनल विश कि आप ऐसे से क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा अटको. देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन. ओके, आई एम हैप्पी दैट टुडे हु वाज दैट. वो बच्ची का नाम क्या है जिसने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था इसके पहले?
Kathy, sir. Kathy.
गुड. ऐसे सारे बच्चे चाहिए मुझे. they really going to do wonders. तो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपने खुद से करनी है. ओके, ये सारे आपके असाइनमेंट है. हमने कुछ नहीं करना है. आप नहीं सॉल्व कर पाओगे देन आई विल टेक अप दोस क्वेश्चंस. इज दिस क्लियर? ठीक है. फॉर दैट टुडे अगेन वी विल प्रैक्टिस.
सर मुझे इलस्ट्रेशन 1 में एक डाउट था.
कौन सा?
पेज 44.
पहले अनसॉल्व वाला कर दी. मैंने अभी भी बोला आप लोगों को अनसॉल्व में इजी क्वेश्चन है. पहले उधर ग्रिप बना. ठीक है.
ओके सर.
वेल, for that let me start from unsolved question only. Okay, question number 2 लेता हूँ, which is lengthy and definitely it will take time for us to solve. Okay, keep the record with FIFO method. This is January 2013. They have given certain transactions. Okay, on 1st January, 5th January, 9th January, these are the transaction of purchases. Okay, so of course these will be the transaction of sales. ऊपर परचेजेस है, नीचे सेल्स है। ये क्वेश्चन आपने सॉल्व करनी है। These are purchases, these are sales. Do it. Sorry. करो फटाफट। Be careful. Follow the chronological order.
सर इसमें ओपनिंग स्टॉक नहीं दे रखा ना?
नहीं दिया ना, नहीं दिया, ओपनिंग स्टॉक नहीं दिया। इसे तो 1 जनवरी से ही ट्रांजैक्शन है।
So that second thing is sales, right? So your mic is not, it's mute.
Sorry, these are your purchases, dear student. And these are your sales. Okay.
नहीं
So, I just wanted to know in
Yes,
sales,
please.
January 2nd in sales, 200 units for 22, but we have paid for 18 rupees, no sir? How to,
That is only the, important factor over here. I'll give that answer. That means very clear. Who was that? Renuka, na?
yes sir,
I think you have not attended previous lecture.
I've attended sir, but there was only 600 in the last for sales, there were only 600 units and also, they were not like 22 units.
But I have very clearly stated what to be done with this if there is a price. Someone
Like
who
only
can
we have
guide
to,
Renuka.
sorry sir?
I'm asking some other students who can guide you, who have attended lectures previously. Yes, anyone?
Sir, 700 units, 16500.
That is your answer. Okay. Now there was a doubt by Renuka that 200 rupees may it is given 22 rupees. What to be done?
Sir, we will ignore the
Yeah.
price.
Yes.
So that
The
rate has to be ignored.
Beta, why? Why it is
Because valuation of inventory is always at cost price, not selling price.
yes, and who is doing it? Godown keeper. He is not aware what is the selling price and all. Okay,
Okay sir,
समझा?
okay, I got it.
रेणुका,
Yes.
देखो अब
Yes,
इतने
sir,
सारे
yes.
बच्चों ने आंसर दिया. Why? Because they have attended previous lecture.
So my answer is 700 units at the rate of 16,500.
Might be. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
All of you are getting 700.
Yes, sir.
Let
Yes,
me
sir.
just help get your assistance. I think this question we did yesterday. ऐसा ही question है. मैं यहीं से उठा लेता हूँ इसको.
सर आप एक बार क्वेश्चन दिखा दो लास्ट पॉइंट
Done,
रहेगा
sir.
एक सेकंड. तो क्वेश्चन देखना है आपको. ये देखो. बाकी सब स्क्रीनशॉट
Yes,
ले
sir.
लो. मुझे अदर बच्चों के लिए सॉल्व करना है अभी. ओके. मैं जाऊँ अभी एक्सेल पे.
सर नीचे से एक्सेल का वो आ रहा है,
अरे ये लो. हुआ.
स्क्रीन आ रहा है इसलिए
हाँ रितेश हुआ। तो कितना
हो
अच्छा
गया
लग रहा है, सारे बच्चे सिंसियरली पढ़ रहे हैं, वेरी गुड। ओके, so I will take this question over here. Valuation of stock by FIFO method. January है ना अपना? This month of January only ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इसी मानते हैं हम लोग। First transaction is when? 1st January. What was the quantity? All those who have solved.
500 units.
Yes, all those who have solved is going to help me, okay? 500 units, okay.
Uh,
500 units. What was the rate, beta?
18.
18.
Sir, 18.
What will be the amount?
9,000.
6,000.
I hope there was no sale. Sales नहीं था ना?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
What was the balance? Same.
500.
Next transaction will be on
Second.
Second Jan.
how many units?
100.
I need not have to worry much because I have only one quantity, one type of quantity. तो जो है उसी में से देना पड़ेगा. And how many units to be sold? 200 units to be sold.
200.
What will be the rate? Sorry,
18.
200 units to be sold. 18 will be the rate. You want me to keep one line ka, I mean spacing, or it will be okay? चलो ठीक है बस. So how much it is? 3,600. Balance will be how much? 300.
300.
18, 5,400.
5,400.
5,400. Next transaction will be on
5th.
5th. How many units?
700.
Purchase.
700.
700
Yes, sir.
unit bought. What is the rate?
20.
20.
20. 14,000. Clear it?
Yes, sir.
But there were no sales. Now we have two varieties. One will be 300. Okay. Another will be 700.
700.
Yes.
ठीक है. Next transaction.
On
7th
7th.
Jan.
7 Jan. Purchase or sale?
Sale.
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 Sales.
ऐसे ही करते जाना है अपने को.
500. 300.
300.
हाँ 500 में first we will take 300 वाला.
Then
300.
200 वाला.
Then 200 वाला. 20.
20.
24,000.
4,000. ऐसा ही किया आप लोगों ने?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
500
sir.
less 20.
20, 10,000.
10,000. कितना आसान तो है. Next transaction will be on
9.
9,000. Purchase.
Purchase
how
900.
much?
900.
900.
900.
What is the rate?
18.
18.
18.
18. What will be the value?
10,000.
16,200.
Sorry?
16,200.
16,200.
16,200.
1,200. So now I'll be having both type of goods with me. ये 500 भी मेरे पास है और ये 900 भी मेरे पास आया. So next. After 9, the transaction is on
11.
11.
11. How many units?
Sales.
Sale.
400.
Sales.
$400. वो तो यहीं से आ जाएगा. 20
Yes.
का रेट
8,000.
8,000.
8,000.
So left with me is 100 units. 20 का rate
22,000.
2,000. And this 900 is also with me. Clear है? Next transaction.
15.
15. Purchase.
After 11th we have 15.
15.
How many units we are purchasing, beta?
300.
What is the rate?
25.
25.
7,500. There is no sale on the same day.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Those things might come up. So now I have 3 variety of goods with me. These two and another I got from here. So now we have to follow FIFO, first in, first out. After 15,
18.
18.
18.
18 we have transaction.
Sales.
Of course it will be sale. How many?
800.
800.
So first we'll take 100.
100.
100.
Yeah, this is ले लेता हूँ.
20,000.
And then 700.
700.
700. 18.
12,600.
12,600. So left with me is again 200. Oh, sorry.
200.
200.
200.
18.
80.
3600.
3600.
3,000.
600. And this is also with me. ठीक है. पहले ऐसे तो बेसिक क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करो आप लोग. ठीक है. Then go for technical question with adjustment and all. What time have you spent? After 18th, when the transaction?
25.
25th.
Purchase.
How many units?
200. 20.
20.
4,000.
4,000.
Then
On
After
27.
27.
27.
Sales.
how many
Sales
units?
500.
500.
500.
So there, these both will come.
Yes.
है ना? So what is left?
200.
224,000.
Next.
सर दोनों पेस्ट
So
हो गया
that
शायद.
balance.
After 27,
31.
31.
Purchase.
how many units?
500 purchase. 25.
25.
12,500. 12,000.
ठीक है ना? No sale.
No.
So now we have two varieties. This 200
And 500.
And
and
500.
500. That becomes 700. And the total value. Is this clear?
16,500.
Clear है आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the valuation of closing stock is
700 unit.
700 units. Rate will be 20 and 25. And value will be
16,500.
6,000.
500.
Here है